Pincha Mayurasana or forearm stand. Arching the back, getting into the pelvis, getting settled into the forearms. Kicking up is one way of coming into this, especially when you're just starting, to find the center of gravity, the pelvis, and align that above the shoulders. And then looking back behind you, you can start to work the cervical spine and find that line. Another way to come up into this as you get more advanced is to bring the feet toward you and simply lift one leg and gently just teeter up. And again, finding your center of gravity. You can play with the center of gravity as you start to lower the feet. And you're going to then naturally want to start moving the chest forward and through, working the heart through the space in the arms, and then coming down.